this is Brad Paisley's new song, Alive Right Now. It's also featuring Addie Pratt on vocals, which is pretty cool. I just want to let you know you can leave a comment down below, so please do so, and also subscribe to my channel. That'd be great. It means a lot. So this song's in the key of C, and I'm going to play it in different parts. I'm going to play the intro, verse, and chorus first. It goes like this. C to F. Starts in on the verse, goes to C, then to a G, A minor, to an F. Same thing again. It's your C, then to a G, kind of an easy strum thing, A minor. Then the first verse goes. Let's ring to the chorus. Same chords. G, A minor, to F. And then the intro. I'm going to show you the intro a little later. Okay? Back to a verse. So the second verse is the same as the first. This one we go A minor, plays right through the F, right to the chorus. Alright, right now I want to do, this is a little bit different part. This is the solo and it goes into a bridge. So the solo goes like this. It's just like the chorus. And then it goes to this A minor, C, F. And then this is the bridge. A minor, G, chorus. This is an empty out chorus, right? It kind of builds it up. Just like the other one, there's a lot of air in it. And then he hits the long F here. And then big chorus at the end. And there's a little change coming up. A minor, G, to F. Vamp here. C to F, A minor, to F, and then here's the final little piece. C to F, and then when you go to the A minor, it goes like this. So you catch that ending there, the A minor, and it's got a quick change. That's the song. That's how it goes. I wanted to show you one little more thing though. The intro, it has a little note that goes. For those of you that are a little more advanced and you want to have the little lick there, it's an F, which is the first fret on the high E string, and then an open E string, and then a C note on the B string, first fret, and then pick up that open G. And here you just slide up. You take a C and you slide up to the D note and you go. So in slow motion it sounds like this. And it sounds like this in real time. So it's hard to do. So that's the intro lick. There you have the whole song. You got the intro lick, the verse, the chorus, the solo, the bridge, and then the out, which is very cool. So Brad Paisley did a really nice job on that one. Alive right now.
My friend Jimmy has the coolest guitar lessons. Go to jimmydillon.com/free and get all your amazing gifts. He's the best. Roll! Rock and roll! Stay awesome and rock and roll!
Hey, thanks for watching the video. And you know what, it would mean a lot to me if you'd hit the subscribe button above and then hit the bell notification for new videos when they come out.